stop scrolling. Because in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how I found free money, money that wasn't mine, and turned it into a full-time income. No salary required, no savings required, just the system.
Here's what nobody talks about. 51% of people are struggling to make ends meet right now. Yet the people who figured out one simple thing are quietly adding $500 to $3,000 a month without working extra hours. I was one of them, and I'll prove it.
This is part 2. If you saw part 1, you already know the first 2 platforms. But this is where it gets real. Platform 3, Platform 4, and the found money method that funded everything. Let's go.
Stop. Did you know that 51% of people are currently struggling to make ends meet? Yet those who have a side hustle are adding $500 to $3,000 a month to their income. Question for you. What would an extra $500 a month do for your stress levels? Drop it in the comments. I want to know. The system I'm about to show you runs on 3 things. Automation, so your money moves without you. Diversification, so no single bad month wipes you out. And found money, so you never invest cash you actually need. Let me show you how all 3 work together.
Platform number 3. This is the one that changed my defensive game. It's called jarap, a digital piggy bank that saves in 24-karat digital gold. You can start with as little as 10 rupees. That's about 12 cents. Why gold? Because when the dollar or the rupee loses value, gold has historically been a trusted anchor.
Even when the stock market had boring months, my gold reserves were quietly appreciating. That's the point of gold in your portfolio. It's not the star, it's the cushion, the safety net that means a bad market month doesn't erase 6 months of progress.
Now, platform number 4, and this is the secret sauce. You might be wondering, how do I find the money to invest in the first place? I used digital crowd work. I signed up for platforms like User Interviews and Respondent. These companies pay you for your opinion. I'm talking $100 to $400 per study. I also used data annotation. They pay between $15 and $25 an hour to help train AI systems. You don't even need an interview.
I took every dollar from these gigs and poured it directly into Platform 1 and 2. That's how the snowball started. I wasn't using my bill money, I was using found money. That one shift in how I thought about income changed everything. One more myth I need to kill. Myth: side hustles are a waste of time and don't pay. Reality? 1 in 5 people with a side hustle are pulling in over $15,000 a year. That is a life-changing amount. That's it. Replacing your salary isn't about one lucky hit. It's about building a system that doesn't require your permission to work. I started with 0 experience. I started with skepticism. I started with almost nothing. But the data doesn't lie. Time in the market is better than trying to time the market. So here is the exact blueprint. Step 1, automate your spare change with Acorns or Jar. Step 2, fund a diversified index fund through Fidelity or Wealthsimple. Step 3, fuel the fire with high-paying micro gigs. That's it. 3 steps, 1 system. 0 Wall Street experience required. I started where you are right now. Skeptical, busy, underfunded. But what changed everything was just starting. Not waiting for the perfect moment, not waiting until I had more money, just starting with what I had. And if you want the exact list of no-interview remote jobs I used to fund all of this, that video is right here. I'll see you in the next one.